What's going on, guys? Back with another video, and today we have the Ultra Surge Protector with USB charging. We have 7 protected outlets plus 2 charging USB ports. Protecting rating 1500 joules. It's a 4 feet 1.2 meters cord with flat plug. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. It has twist to lock safety covers, 2 USB charging ports. Power filter provides a sharper picture. And we have here connected equipment warranty, $150,100. It's perfect for tablets and phones, smartphones. 2.1 amps, 10 watts. USB cable not included. Ultra charge, 35% faster charging. As you can see, they claim to be the #1 surge protection. As you can see on the bottom, the 2 USB ports. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 outlets. And we have the switch on top and the LED light. It's a General Electric brand. Okay, let's see what else we have in here. It says right here, 4 feet core length with space saving flat plug. Oh, we already went through all of this. It has a twist to lock safety covers, 2 USB charging ports, protected indicator light. We have right here the power filter. We have right here automatic shutdown technology. Stops power to devices when surge protection expires. Integrated circuit breaker to overload protection. And as you can see on the bottom, the $150,000 connected equipment warranty. Okay, let's open this box. Let's see on the side we have something else. Okay, let's check it out. Nice, check that out. Pretty nice quality. First impression, I like it. It looks a heavy duty surge protector. We have the 7 outlets here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have the USB charging ports, as you can see, 2 of them. Perfect to charge your tablet and your smartphone. As you can see, let's check out it's a flat plug, as you can see. Check that out. We have the switch right here. Here you can connect your USB charger for your phone. It works perfect, as you can see. Check the other one. Yep. Is to charge your phone here. You connect it right there. Nice. It's about like 12 inches, 13 inches long. It's pretty nice. There you have it, guys. Let me know what do you think about this item. Comment, like, and subscribe on my channel. I'll talk to you later, guys.